our country 75th independence year that would be celebrated on the 15th of August. Our Prep 2 children have been preparing themselves tirelessly under the able guidance of their teachers and parents. They're all geared up to compare this entire event. This is a moment of pride for us because in just 2.5 months of our online session, the children are ready to host an entire event. They are going to add charm to this event through their scintillating performance in the form of soul-stirring speech, quiz, poem, skit, and dance. So are you all ready to enjoy the show? Now, let me call upon Arya Naik to begin this event with a Vedic shloka to invoke positivity and peace. Over to you, Arya.
Sahana vavatu, sahana bhunaktu, sahaviryam karavavahai, tejasvi navaditamastu mavid vishavahai. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Shamika Datta. And I am Dion Taneja. It is an absolute honor for me to stand here today and welcome you all to the celebration of our Independence Day. India attained independence on this day in the year of 1947. After several years of struggle, freedom fighters never gave up. They fought for us freedom. This because of such fighters and Jawans, we are building Indian independent nation. We should carry this spirit forward and celebrate nationalism and patriotism that runs through us and honor our forefathers. Thank you. Not just today, we must abide by the responsibility and courage. Every day, this feeling of patriotism binds us citizens. We must cherish this unseen thread of love. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Agam Singh Saran. Today we are gathered here to celebrate their great and brave actions that have led us to this day. This year, India will celebrate 75th year of independence. The government has planned for a year-long celebration through various development programs in our fields. Today, performances that our teachers and friends have put together. So, are you all ready to celebrate? Yes, of course. Let us begin this day with flag hoisting. I have like all of you to stand for flag hoisting.
Can I request for everyone to stand for the flag hoisting?
और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी आगमन पधार चुके हैं।
Without any further ado, let's start the online Independence Day celebration with this one. Of course, freedom and mind. faith and word, pride in our heart, memory is wrong. So let's salute the nation on our independence. And now may I please sign my address audience. Thank you.
Thank you, Varda. Yes, dear children, parents, and teachers, I hope all of you are keeping well and safe. As we proudly celebrate the 75th independence of our country, we are at a point when history will be written by us for coming generations. Change is the only constant, and we have seen remarkable change around us for last 15 months. The opportunity I want to take to step ahead of our times within our community, where we as a teachers and parent are able to create an impact for children and early education. If you look at our history books today, it normally speaks about the pride which we as Indians carry towards our previous generations. I believe the strength and courage which we show today to our children is the only way we can break ourselves free of the current crisis. I'm hopeful all of us are maintaining the guidelines of wearing a mask, social distancing wherever possible, and frequently connecting with our friends with the online medium. I'm glad to share the Independence Day celebrations have been completely hosted by our children at Angels Paradise Academy. The entire credit goes to our children, teachers, and parents for getting this wonderful event organized. Our students have shown extraordinary courage where learning journey have changed. I would want to thank all our teachers and parents who have continuously supported this learning joy with lots of love. I wish you and families being safe and healthy and joyous celebration of Independence Day. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद निर्देशक सयाली मैम। दिल में जुनून, आंखों में देशभक्ति की चमक रखता हूँ। दुश्मन की जान निकल जाए, आवाज में इतनी धमक रखता हूँ। अब चलिए इस दिन की शुरुआत एक खूबसूरत हिंदी गाने से करते हैं। मैं अपनी दोस्त सपन्ना को इस गीत को गाने के लिए बुलाना चाहता हूँ। धन्यवाद शिवांश। मैं सपन्ना वर्मा आपके सामने एक हिंदी गीत प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद की सेना। धन्यवाद। It was such a beautiful and captivating performance. Let's give her a big round of applause. Do you all know the Mars Orbiter mission made India the only nation in the world to reach the Mars? In its first attempt, Mangalyaan-1, the indigenously built space probe, marked India's first venture into the interplanetary space. It also made India first in Asia and fourth in the world to reach the surface of Mars. And now, may I please request my friend Sulagna to sing a patriotic song for us. Hello everyone, my name is Sulagna Bhattacharya and I am going to sing a song. I am an Indian first. I am an Indian first. I come from land that changes. We take our service from ages. I know them fellow hero. My soldier are my hero. The might is fit the coast. I love my country the most. With the golden feathers flight, I will take it to new heights. Not Pandit, not Jack. I am Indian first. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Someday, oh deep in my heart, I do believe it's a Lord someday. Now may I peace present to you all. Lovely performance by our friend. That was India. Unity. In unity in diversity.
और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी
My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. My name is Madhavi. I'm from Alleppey. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattivar. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattivar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Aha, 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 aha. I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Aha, 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 aha. I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Oh, I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Aha, 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 aha. I am Kulvinder from Chandigarh. Oh, I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you. India. Different states, different languages, diverse culture, still unity in diversity. Because we are many in body, but one in mind. We are proud Indians. Yes, we are Indians.
द्वारा अविश्व की प्रदर्शन अपने निमित्त विलास बनाना चाहूंगी। नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है विराजित पंडित। आओ झुककर सलाम करें उनको जिनसे मुकाम आता है। नसीब है वो खून जो देश के काम आता है। धन्यवाद। Thank you, friends, for the lovely comments. Now we would like to show the importance of unity in the form of a skit. My friends from Pleb 2 and I made one are going to skit called United We Stand, Divided We Fall. Once upon a time, the old farmer is really, really sick. He was only worried about his 4 sons. One day, the farmer decided to teach them a lesson. Ram, Sham, Sun, Munu, I want all of you to do it for me. Whoever will do it best, he get a big treasure box. I'm the best. No, I am unmuted. I am better than both of you. I will win. Keep fighting and watch me win. Let's begin the task and see who wins. What we have to do here, each one of you will take a stick and try to break it. I can do it within a second. I'm so strong that I just need 2 fingers to break it. All the 4 sons were able to break the single stick with great ease. All of them thought they were the winner. Wait a moment to decide. So easily. What is that? Wait. We'll take the gum and try to break this bundle of sticks. This talk is silly. This is silly. This is not a silly task. I did this to teach you all of you a lesson that if I do this, it will be very easy for others to come and play you. But if you stay united, no one can ever come and you. will make you stronger. Unity will stand, divided will fall. United we stand, divided we fall. United we stand and divided we fall. United we stand, divided we fall. Wow, that was a splendid performance put up by my friends. Ehan, do you know our country's achievements in the field of sports? What is it, Eva? What is it, Eva? Women's cricket captain Mithali Raj grew to become the highest run getter, overtaking England's skipper Charlotte Edwards. She is the world's most prolific batter in women's international. Wow, that's great news, Eva. And do you know Mana Patel, a 21-year-old backstroke swimmer from Ahmedabad, joins Shiha Natraj and Shilam Prakash as the first female swimmer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics. Wow, Rehan, what a proud moment for India. With this said, are we all ready to see this wonderful dance performance by our Prep 1B friends? They have danced for the India Wale song, a dance to felicitate their achievers. Bring it on, Pep, and celebrate their achievement. Bring it on, Pep, my friends.
मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यारबाज हम, चालसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा, हमको परवाह नहीं, जो भी कहता है कहने दे, जग ये भला या बुरा, जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी, और दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान निसार कर डाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले, हम इंडिया वाले, उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
together say the poem Beauty of a Nation?
Yes, Tanya, come on. Ours is a land of sages, known for a beautiful ages. Its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all live here in unison.
With rivers and sweet fountains, it's a land of high mountains. Its green forests are pretty and are the source of prosperity. Let's for it work hard for its safety to be on the guard. Thank you.
What an awe-inspiring poem, written to kindle spirit of patriotism. Beauty of India lies in its culture, landscapes, and in the heart of every landscape and in the heart of every Indian. Hope you enjoyed it. The man called upon with relevant events to present their dance on the song Desh Rangila.
आइए दूसरे प्रदर्शन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। अब मैं अपनी दोस्त त्रिशिका को बोलना चाहूंगा। धन्यवाद। नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है त्रिशिका। आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। तिरंगा है देश की शान, हर भारतीय का है स्वाभिमान। यही गंगा है, यही हिमालय है, यही हिंद की जान है। तीन रंगों में रंगा हुआ ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। That was a fantastic performance. Did you all know Sushruta, an Indian physician from the 6th century, is known as the father of surgery and father of plastic surgery for inventing and developing surgical procedures. His statues are displayed in many medical institutions around the world. Our country has been instrumental in bringing many such inventions in this world. Now, may I call upon my friends Sanika and Naira to sing the song It's a Small World.
It's a word that laugh and a word that tear. It's a word that hope and a word that fear. It's a magician. It's time you wear. It's a small world after all. 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 It's a small world. There is just one moon and a golden sun and a smiling friendship to everyone. So the mountains divide, the oceans are white, and small world after all. It's 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 small world. Now I would like to call my friends to conduct the quiz.
Okay, ma'am, if you could just give us the instruction.
So parents, we have our quiz master with you, Mr. Soham Sharma, and he's going to ask you some questions, but the reply has to be on the chat box, okay? And the reply has to come to me only. My name is Yashashri More. So just reply to me only, and whoever gives the first answer correct, they are the winners. I will announce once the answers come. So parents, be ready, and I'm sure you have become experts in typing now. So let's be ready. Yes, Soham, you can ask the first question now.
Hello everyone, my name is Soham Sharma and I'm here to ask you a few questions. Who was India's Prime Minister in 2006?
Okay, parents.
Well done.
No, wait, I will tell you whose answer comes first. Okay, so we have Naira's mummy whose answer has come first, and the answers are coming, but I'm sorry. Naira's mummy was her fastest finger. Okay, so Soham, Naira's mummy gave the correct answer, Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Well done, parents.
Thank you, parents.
In which state do we have in the wettest regions?
So in which state do you have the wettest regions? All right. So we have Shivanshu's mummy whose answer has come first. Fastest finger was Shivanshu's mummy. Soham?
Good job.
Yes. And the answer is Meghalaya. Answer is Meghalaya. Okay. So next question now, Soham.
In which state is the Kaziranga National Park?
Ooh, the answers are coming. And I have got the first answer. It is from, okay, Ihan's mummy. Ihan's mummy. I got it from Ihan's mummy, and the answer is Assam. So Soham, the answer is from Ihan's mummy. Or parent, sorry.
Super.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well done, parent. I am Naisha Khandelwal and I am here to ask you a few questions. Which entity organized the fourth Kabaddi World Cup tournament?
So again, we have Shivansh's mummy who has answered correctly. And the correct answer is Mumbai. The correct answer is Mumbai. So Shivansh's parent.
Good job, parent. The next question is, which Indian president is named the Missile Man?
Okay, so who's coming? Yes, so we have Divisha's parent who has given the correct answer first, Dr. Abdul Kalam.
Good job, parent. The next question is, which the Victoria Memorial is situated in which Indian city?
Yes, so we have from Ihan's parent, the correct answer is Kolkata.
Good job, parent. Thank you. Well done, parents. I am Putha Kurde. I will be asking you few questions. Which is the most popular state in India?
Okay, so the most popular state in India, we got the correct answer from Varnika's parent. Okay, and it is Uttar Pradesh. Sorry, it's not Maharashtra, it is Uttar Pradesh. So yes, Varnika's parent, Prutha.
Well done, parent.
Next question now.
Who was the first Indian to go into space?
Okay, let's see who gets the fastest finger. Yeah, 1 minute. Answers are correct, but 1 minute. Let me see, huh? I got the first answer. They're just coming. Okay. Yes, Sarah's mommy, Sarah's parent gave the correct answer. It is Rakesh Sharma.
Amazing. Which is the nationality of India? Which is the nationality of India?
Which is the, can you repeat?
Nationality of India.
All right. So we got the correct answer from Shivansh's parent. The correct answer is banyan tree. The national tree of India is banyan tree. You got from Shivansh's parent.
Good job, parent. Now may I call upon my friend Varnika to present poem. माता पिता द्वारा अच्छा प्रदर्शन आपके लिए तालियां। आज मैं हिंदी गीत प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। झंडा है भारत की शान, झंडा है वीरों की आन, इसके आगे शीश झुकाते जन गण मन का गीत है गाते। झंडा है भारत की शान, झंडा है वीरों की आन, झंडा है भारत की शान, झंडा है वीरों की आन। आओ करते इससे प्रणाम, बसी है इसमें सबकी जान, झुकने ना देंगे हम इसको, देंगे चाहे अपने प्राण। झंडा है भारत की शान, झंडा है वीरों की आन, झंडा है भारत की शान, झंडा है वीरों की आन। धन्यवाद। Thank you. Thank you, Anika, for such a lovely poem. I would like to recite few lines of the song. Sare Jaan Chacha, written by Mohammad Iqbal. This song depicts all features of the country in one line. Sare Jahan se अच्छा इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा कमाल, सारी जहां से अच्छा मुझे अपने ही सिखाता, आपस में पैरे रखना मजहब नहीं सिखाता, आपस में पैरे रखना हिंदी
and Paramveer. ना डॉलर ना इंश्योरेंस कोई शिकवा नहीं बस बारे मौके का नाम बोला देना हो जा सही तो तेरी मेरी now I will present you a small song by your dear teachers. Maskaraya India.
जय 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 हो जय 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 फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान बांटेंगे हम खुशियां गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया
Now can I work with my friend Stacy to deliver the vote of thanks? Dear parents, fellow classmates, teachers and my juniors, I am Shrishti and very honored to propose a vote of thanks on this beautiful day. Really, my friends put up a wonderful performance to celebrate 75th Independence Day. Our thanks to all the teachers and their parents who played a vital role in helping us to put up a great show. Now, it would not have been possible without Shekhar's encouragement and your patience. Many thanks for being a part of this event.
Please call Arya Naik to receive the Shanti Mantra, which means, may there be happiness in all, may there be peace in all, may there be completeness in all, and may there be success in all. a shloka for everyone's well-being and peace.
Sarvesham swastirбhavatu, Sarvesham shantirбhavatu, Sarvesham purnam bhavatu, Sarvesham mangalam bhavatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you. Thank you, Arya. Now I please request all of you to raise for the national anthem. What? Vande Mataram.
Mana Adinayaka Jaya He, Bharata Bhagya Vidhata, Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha, Dravida Uttara Banga, Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga, Uchala Jaladhi Taranga, Tava Shubha Name Jage, Tava Shubha Ashish Mage, Gahe Tava Jaya Jana Mangalayaka Jaya He, Bharata Bhagya Vidhata, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya 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 He.
Bharat Mata Ki
Jai.
Jai. Thank you so much, children. You all did an amazing job. Let's give all of us a big hand, a big round of applause. It was a splendid, flawless performance. I'm super, super proud of you all. Very, very well done. Beautiful. Yes, they deserve it. Mommies, from our side also a big hug and a kiss to them. Lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you, parents, for being here, taking your time, and for being here with us. Thanks a lot.
Ma'am, just a quick announcement. Monday will be a holiday on account of Parsi New Year.
Yes, Monday will be a holiday. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Everyone.
You all enjoy your day. You all did a lot of hard work. So enjoy your long weekend, everyone. Goodbye. Happy Independence Day to you all.
Bye-bye.
Very well
Happy
done. So
Independence Day,
proud of you all.
everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.